So as I said earlier, it's been a busy week. I don't even know where to start, so let's just start at
number 5.
Most rivers and beaches ordered closed because UNA don't follow the guidelines. So all the popular spots like Helsha and Spanish Bridge on lockdown for the next 2 weeks. At least the Europa Spanish Bridge can get a little break now, man. Jeez, Jada Kingdom posting how she no longer has to hold her mouth when she hears sensual songs in the dance. She can sing out, yeah girl, besties. Well, at least not yet. But I'm loving the love. So a few Jamaican acts have taken to remixing Cardi B's latest song, WAP. Now I'm sure we can't play any of the songs here, but Cardi B took to Instagram to tell Ishawna that her remix was fire. You go, Ishi. Election fever is in the air. On a Thursday, Bro God wore the green clocks, yes Lord step out hot and clean, to Parliament, and that's when he announced election for September 3. Guys, no bother with the foolishness. Just go out and vote for the best. And finally holding the spot this week, I guess Billboard magazine is that guy. Now, we're not being biased or anything, but the Beanie Bounty Clash was the best versus, and Billboard didn't see fit to put the legends on the cover. Social media was in a frenzy, but you know what? Are we still a win? We're not gonna make them fight you out. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Really don't feel like talking about corona numbers in the double digits every day, but it's real. Wear your masks, and if you know you're supposed to be in quarantine, just turn and go back.